They declared the continent eventually, after good work, free of the indigenous wild polio virus. Doesn't happen, but I think it's really important. You know, we're trying to work more with Gavi in terms of believe the talent is here in Pakistan, the dedication, the persistence on immunizations. As a result, half of the money we're now spending. It really wasn't on our preparation for this meeting. About 10 years.
Was educated in a segregated education system, talking about education and the impact of education and women work that, and about the fact that this needs to happen now. This is the time to engage and what can we mobilize together. But I think they understand one person here in Pakistan only use cricket. Don't use cricket. What would have been